Hi, my name is Don Hicks. I'm Recreation Supervisor responsible for the two aquatic facilities. We are going to have a maintenance close down. It's important because we're replacing a big pool heater for the main pool. The current heater is only about 67% efficient. It doesn't meet the North Bay air quality standards. The new heater is a great heater for commercial pools. It will be 97% efficient, which is fantastic. It meets all the North Bay air standards, which are really important for air quality. The current heater is more than 27 years old, can't find parts for it. It's about to fail. If it fails, we might have to be closed for months while we replace. So it's good for us to have this scheduled so it'll take the least amount of time to replace.